Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I love unboxing subscription boxes and I love all things makeup. I do want to say I know my makeup looks a little crazy right now, but I did just a little rainbow look, and then I was just recently, obviously I have swatches on my arms, I unboxed the Sephora lip, like holiday lip set, so hence the reason why some of my foundation is wore off and all that. But anyway, this video is about Lip Monthly. Now, if you guys have never heard of Lip Monthly, it is a subscription bag, box, whatever you want to call it, for $12.95 a month. So kind of like Ipsy, but you always get like full-size products. They say you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and it's I got lipstick all over my teeth. But it is obviously called Lip Monthly, so you get things, you get lip products. But lately they've been putting in like one little makeup item to switch it up, which I think is pretty awesome. Lip Monthly did, I was so excited, they reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to know if they could send me their Lip Monthly bag subscription every month to review for you guys, and I absolutely said yes. Now, I wanted to say, I didn't just say yes because a company reached out to me and wanted me to review something for them and for me to get something for free. My thing is, if you guys did not know, if you're not familiar with my channel, I love reviewing products, not only for me, but for you guys to see if it's actually worth it or not. And I'm going to just be talking to you guys and probably having lipstick all over my teeth. I apologize. But I've never been too big into lip products, but recently I really have been getting into it more, and I feel like it just makes your makeup look complete. Just like I feel like if you have your brows done, it makes everything look better. So my thing is as well as lip products. So I love trying out new things. Now, there might be some things in here that I don't necessarily like maybe I don't like one product or I don't like all of them. I'm going to be brutally honest and let you guys know if I like them or not, and I'm not going to say that I like them just because I got this set for review. I want to give my honest opinion. So if you guys are curious on what came in the November Lip Monthly box, then just keep watching. Okay, first off, we got, I'm going to just pull out this right here. It comes with a little pamphlet, and it says November 2019 Lip Monthly. So it says, welcome to the November 2019 bag. It's that time of year again where the days begin to get shorter and the weather continues to get cooler for most of us. This month's your bag includes 3 amazing lippies and 1 non-lippy from some of our favorite brands. And yeah, there's that. Alright, so I'm going to pull out this right here. This is the first thing. This is the Lord and Berry 20100, and this is a crayon lipstick, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So I'm going to try on all of them for you guys, but this right here, it glided on like really easily. Now, I don't have too many lip crayons. This does, I do like the smell of this. It's very creamy and stuff, but I feel like next time I apply this, since I really don't feel like this color kind of suits me too well, I feel like this is a color that I would put on a little bit and then kind of just dab into my lips to get some more color. But it does seem pretty creamy. So yeah, first up, this one, not too bad. And then second, this one right here, this is the Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. And I just find this packaging to be absolutely adorable. I love this. And like it says, this is a tinted lip glow, so it's kind of got a little bit messy. I did do a wear test on this. I wore this yesterday for you guys. So this is a yummy, glowy lip treatment made with a myriad of plant-based oils, vitamin B, and shea butter. And yeah, so I will show you guys the clip of me applying it right here. So I applied it, and then I really just like the packaging. I didn't read the rest of the packaging, but I ended up doing this on my own, but I kind of tapped it into my lips, and I love the way, like, I love the color that I got from it. And I put this in my purse, and I went and cleaned a few houses yesterday, and I found myself, instead of reaching for my actual lip balm, I was reaching for this, because I do find this to be super hydrating, and I love the fact that it does give me like a little bit of color on my lips. And yeah, this is a win-win for sure. I really do enjoy this, and I am definitely going to be going on like Instagram or the Trifle Cosmetics site to see kind of more other products. See, this is a reason I just want to tell you guys, subscription boxes are awesome. I love it because you can find something that you originally wouldn't have purchased like on your own. So this is a good one. Next up is this product right here. I'm showing you guys this clip because this is the one that I filmed yesterday. I just not sure where I put it, and it's not in front of me right now, but it is a lip scrub, and I'm going to show you a little demo of me using this right here as well. I put a little bit too much on my lips at first, and this is not one of those lip scrubs that you can necessarily like eat off your lips like you can the Jeffree Star one. This one seemed like it was more of a, just like it said on the back, it had more of a hydrating oil to it. So I don't think, like, you really didn't have to put, you wouldn't have to really put a moisturizer on after you did this like lip scrub, because it has that oil in there and it's left behind on your lips, and I really do like it. I definitely feel like it's one that I would reuse again, and I just find it to be, it was a pretty good product. So last but not least, it did come with this right here, and this is the Doka Freematic eyeshadow. I don't know why I hesitate to say that. And this is a 98 Kinsley matte. Now this is just a little eyeshadow sample, and when I open this up, I felt like this would be the perfect like transition shade for a makeup look. Now I usually don't keep little eyeshadows like this because I tend to already have this color inside of an eyeshadow palette that I have. So I'm going to stick this off to the side and put this into another giveaway that I'll be doing. But yeah, that is all that came in this box. What do you guys think? Let me know down below what you think. I've gotten Lip Monthly, I think, 1 or 2 times previous in the beginning of the year, and I definitely think that they have stepped up their game because I was not the biggest fan of them then, but now that I'm getting more into like wearing lipstick and stuff like that, see, this lip crayon is just going to get all over your teeth, so I definitely recommend, this one just kind of like dabbing on your lips to get more color, or else I feel like it's going to be all over your face. But yeah, I'm excited to review this bag for you guys to see if it gets better, what kind of products come in here. I read up on the site because I didn't know if they just did like indie brands, but it just looks like they say that they feature, let's see here. So it says, Lip Monthly is a beauty subscription service that delivers 4 to 5 full-size lip products directly to your door every month. You'll get to discover new brands, products, and shades with every beauty bag. So yeah, that is it for this bag. I really do like it. I'm excited to get this every month for you guys and show you guys kind of what new products are out there and maybe something that you guys haven't tried. Yeah, thank you for watching, and be sure you subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.
Those medical pills are pushing me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't